ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
What is your name?
My name is Kamesri.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
What is your school name?
True Sunshine Preschool.
Which is our village?
Dodmalli.
Our taluk?
Malu.
Our district?
Kolar.
Our state?
Karnataka.
Our country?
India.
Our continent?
Asia.
Capital city of Karnataka?
Bengaluru.
Capital city of India?
Delhi.
Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi ji.
Chief Minister of Karnataka?
Siddaramaiah ಅವರು.
How many months in a year?
There are 12 months.
How many days in a week?
There are 7 days.
How many seasons are there?
4 seasons. Summer seasons, winter season, rainy season, monsoon season.
How many types of transportations are there?
Air transportation, water transportation, land transportation.
What color do you see in traffic light?
Red light, yellow light, green light.
Name 5 sense organs.
Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Our national flower.
Lotus.
Our national bird.
Peacock.
National animal.
Tiger.
National aquatic animal.
Dolphin.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National fruit.
Mango.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
Bharat Mata ki.
Jai. Thank you, friends.